Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, here is your mathematics teacher Muhammad Abdul Said from Pakistan International School, Taif, Saudi Arabia. Today we are going to continue our lecture number 50 and exercise 4.3, question number 3. We started last time exercise 4.3 and before that we finished our exercise 4.2, which contain different types of equations, that is exponential equation, reciprocal equation, similarly radical equation. So in this way we are going to have our radical equation in the exercise 4.3, and here in this exercise there is a point which is to be discussed, or which is to be mentioned, that we have to check our radical equation at the end and find the extraneous root at the end of the exercise questions. So in this way we can find the solution set of your exercise, or rather radical equations. So exercise 4.3, question number 3, we have question number 3, 4.3, 2x plus 8 under root plus x plus 5 under root, 2x plus 8 under root plus x plus 5 under root is equal to 7. This is equation number 1. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, we get 2x plus 8 under root plus x plus 5 under root whole square, that is equal to 7 square. Dear students, solution of radical equation mean to find the values of the variables. Here we can have first square plus 2 into first, this is the formal formula of a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this will be x plus 5 under root whole square, that is equal to 49. Square and square root are cancelled out. 2x plus 8 plus 2 into 2x plus 8 into x plus 5, and square root are cancelled. X plus 5 is equal to 49. Now we can have 2x plus x plus 8 plus 5 minus 49 is equal to minus 2 into 2x plus 8 into x plus 5. Remember that we got 49 to the left hand side and this radical term is shifted to the right hand side. In this way we will simplify it, and squaring again we will get rid of this radical sign. Here is 3x plus 13 minus 49 is equal to minus 2 into, this is 2x square plus 10x plus 8x plus 40. So we have 3x minus 36. 3x minus 36, yes, is equal to minus 2 into 2x square plus 18x and plus 40. Remember that we have squaring both sides again, so that we will finish this radical sign from right hand side. Squaring again. 3x minus 36 whole square, that is equal to minus 2 into 2x square plus 18x plus 40 whole square. find this, it will be 216x minus 2 into first into second. Remember that. And after that 36 square is equal to 4. This square will make minus 4. So distribute the square on both terms. Minus 2 square is 4. And when you take the square of this radical sign, it will be cancelled out and we are left with 2x square plus 18x and plus 40. Dear students, we have 9x square minus 216x and plus 36 square is 1296 is equal to 8 square and plus 72x and plus 160. 72x plus 160. We will bring these numbers to the left hand side. Here it is 9x square minus 8x square minus 216x minus 72x plus 1296 minus 160. Dear students, we are left with x square minus what will be 288x then plus 1296 minus 72, that will be 1136 is equal to 0. Now we have standard quadratic equation. Here we will make the pairs like this. Dear students, we have x square minus 288 x plus 1136. Now we are having x square minus 284x and minus 4x plus 1136 is equal to 0. Dear students, we have this number. We will take x common. X minus 284 minus 4 common, x minus 284, that is equal to 0. So we can have x minus 4 into x minus 284, that is equal to 0, x minus 4 is equal to 0 and x minus 284 is equal to 0. X is equal to 4 and x is equal to 284. Dear students, we have two values of x. Now we want to check it whether with the value of x is satisfying our given equation. So in checking we will apply x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 284 one by one and find extraneous root. And remember that extraneous root is not a part of your solution set. So in this way we can find it. Here we can have using x is equal to 4, using, this is checking, using x is equal to 4 in equation number 1. And what was equation number 1? That was 2x plus 8 plus x plus 5 is equal to 7. Here I am using this x is equal to 4. 2 into 4 plus 8 plus 4 plus 5 under root, that is 7. This is 8 plus 8 is 16 under root and 9 under root, that is equal to 7. 16 under root is 4 and 9 under root is 3. So 7 is equal to 7. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Dear students, x is equal to 4 is the part of your solution set. Now again we will check by applying the second value. Using x is equal to 284 in equation number 1. 2 into 284 plus 8 plus 284 plus 5, that is equal to 7. Dear students, after multiplying and adding this, it will be 576. This one is 576 under root, and the second one is 289 under root. That is equal to 7. 576. When you take square root of 576, we have 24 plus 17 is equal to 7. So you can check, it will be equal to 41 is equal to 7. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, x is equal to 284 is the extraneous root. Therefore, solution set is equal to 4 and 284 extraneous root. So this was your question number 3, exercise 4.3. Dear students, after that we have question number 3, 5 and 6. So definitely you must have something as homework. So I am giving you homework question number 5 as homework. Homework is question number 5. Solve it, and if you could not, okay, no problem. Contact me, inshallah we'll do it. But try at home. This is similar to that. The previous question we finished. Just finished. After that, we have question number 6. X square plus x plus 1. X square plus x plus 1 whole under root. Question number 6. X square plus x plus 1 whole under root. And then we have x square plus x minus 1. X square plus x minus 1 whole under root. That is equal to 1. Remember that this is equation number 1. As you know that we have very simple equation by substituting. Let x square plus x is equal to y. So it will be y plus 1 whole under root plus y minus 1 whole under root, that is equal to 1. Squaring both sides, we have y plus 1 under root whole square, or rather y minus 1 under root of whole square is equal to 1 square. Open up the formula of square. This is first square plus 2 into first into second plus second square. That is equal to 1. Remember that 2 into first into second. In case of multiplication and division, you can combine the radical sign and even you can split up this radical sign also. So 2 and square root cancelled out. We are left with y plus 1 plus 2 into under root as y square minus 1 square. That again 2 and square root cancelled out, y minus 1 is equal to 1. Here we will have 2y minus 1 is equal to minus 2 into y square minus 1. Remember that I have shifted 2 into y square minus 1 under root on the right hand side. Y plus y is 2y and brought this one to the left hand side. Squaring again. We have 2y minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 2 into y square minus 1 whole square. Now we will open up the formula of square as 4y square minus 2 into first into second minus 4y plus 1. Minus 2 square is 4 and square root cancelled out, y square minus 1. So 4y square minus 4y plus 1 and 4y square minus 4. Okay, we can have these terms on right hand side. 4y square minus 4 minus 4y square plus 4y minus 1, they are cancelled out. Dear students, we are left with 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. After that, by backward substitution, we can apply value of y as x square plus x minus 5 is equal to 0. 4x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Here we can have 4y square minus rather plus 4x square plus 4x minus 5. We can check it whether its factors can be made or not. 4 5 are 20. So 4 and 5 may be 1, no. 2 and 10, no, we cannot make. Dear students, we will apply quadratic formula here. We will apply here quadratic formula to find our required answer. Okay, we can have x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. You know that a was equal to 4, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 4 plus minus b square is 4 square minus 4a into c whole divided by 2 into 4, 2a. So x is equal to minus 4 plus minus 16 plus 80 divided by 8. Here is minus minus plus 20 into 4, 80. So x is equal to minus 4 plus minus 96 under root over 8. Remember that 96 under root can be written in this way: 2 and 24, 2 and 12, 2 and 6, 2 and 3. Here is 4 into 6. We can write down x is equal to minus 4 plus minus 96 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. But you know that this number is 3 and 2, they are separate, they are single values, so they will remain inside, but double of these, this will be 4 outside and inside this will be 6 and over 8. So dear students, in this way, we can find the value of x as taking 4 common, minus 1 plus minus 6 under root over 8, that is over 2. You can take 4 common and then cancel out 8 by 4 and we are left with minus 1 plus minus 6 under root over 2. So in this way, now we can check our answer. 4.3, question number 6. Yes, 4.3, Question number 6, minus 1 plus minus 6 under root over 2. Yes, this is your answer. Dear students, checking, you can do checking by yourself, but this will be your solution set and values will be same. Left hand side will be equal to right hand side for these values. And don't worry, if you have this radical sign, you can simplify with the calculator as 6 under root, maybe in decimal. Then you take plus and minus, once plus and once minus with this minus 1. And divide by 2, you will get a number in decimal form. So after that, you will apply in your given equation. Then left hand side will be equal to right hand side. And this way you can check your answer. But this answer is correct. After that, we have, according to your reduced syllabus received by us from our board, we have question number 7, 8, 9. We can take question number 8 from 7, 8, 9. And similarly from 10, 11, we will take one question, and then last question, question number 12, we'll do it, inshallah. So, dear students, we can take question number 8. Here we have 2x square minus 5x minus 3 whole under root. Question number 8. 2x square minus 5x minus 8 under root. Yes. 2x square minus 5x minus, no, not minus 8, this is minus 3 under root. And second one is plus 3 into 2x plus 1 under root. Plus 3 into 2x plus 1 under root is equal to 2x square plus 25x plus 12. 2x square plus 25x plus 12 whole under root. First of all, we will make the pairs of these numbers like this. What will be minus 6x square? This will be 1 6 the 6. I think this is the same pair. 2x square minus 6x plus x minus 3 whole under root. Basically, we have minus 5 by adding or subtracting, and after multiplying we will get minus 6. So sign of the bigger component will be taken from 5, so it is minus 5 and plus 1. Then 3 into 2x plus 1 under root is equal to, we have 2x square, this is multiplied 24x square. We can have 1 and 24. If you add them, it will become 25. And after multiplying, you will get 24. So same is the pair 24x plus x plus 12 whole under root. Dear students, we can take 2x common, x minus 3 plus 1 common, x minus 3 whole under root. That will be 3 into 2x plus 1 under root. 2x common, x plus 2 or 12, and plus 1 common, x plus 12 whole under root. So we have 2x plus 1 into x minus 3 whole under root. That is 3 into 2x plus 1 whole under root. That will be 2x plus 1 into x plus 12 whole under root. Dear students, we will take these numbers on left hand side. After that, bring these 2x plus 1 whole under root into x minus 3 under root. Remember that in case of multiplication, you can split up this radical sign. Plus 3 into 2x plus 1 under root minus 2x plus 1 under root into x plus 12 under root, that is equal to 0. Dear students, now we have three terms and all are including 2x plus 1 under root. So we are left with x minus 3 under root plus 3 minus x plus 12 under root equal 0. So we have 2x plus 1 under root is equal to 0 and x minus 3 under root minus x plus 12 under root plus 3 is equal to 0. I have written this term first and third and then second at the end. No problem, no difference at all. So after that we have this will be 2x plus 1 under root is equal to 0, squaring both sides. Similarly, you can take 3 on the other side. It will be x minus 3 under root and minus x plus 12 under root is equal to minus 3, squaring both sides. Remember that we have to simplify them. Here is 2 and square root cancelled out. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is one value of x here. After that, open up the formula of square. I am writing down directly. Dear students, this is first square. First square means square root cancelled out. Minus 2 into first, x minus 3 into x plus 12 plus second square. Second square 2 and square root cancelled out. X plus 12 is equal to 9. So we have 2x plus 9 minus 9. Remember that 12 minus 3 is 9. And bring this 9 to the left hand side and we have 2 into x minus 3 x plus 12. Yes, they are cancelled out. After that, squaring both sides. This will be 4x square is equal to 4 into square root cancelled out x minus 3 into x plus 12. Here is 4x square is equal to 4 into x square plus 12x minus 3x minus 36. Here is 4x square is equal to 4x square plus 48x minus 12x and minus 36 into 4. That will be 144. Here we will have 4x square minus 4x square minus 48x plus 12x plus 144 is equal to 0. They are cancelled out and we are left with minus 36x plus 144 is equal to 0. 144 is equal to 36x and x is equal to 144 over 36. That will be equal to 4. Dear students, one value of x is minus 1 over 2, another value of x is 4. And if you check these values here in the given equation, you will get left hand side is equal to right hand side. Check by yourself by applying these values in your given equation. So in this way you can have solution set is equal to minus 1 over 2 and 4. That's your answer. I hope that you understood these questions and you can solve the homework questions at home, and inshallah you can solve them. They are not so difficult, a little bit lengthy, but they are not so difficult. So inshallah we'll do it. Okay, Allah Hafiz and Assalamu Alaikum.